Hi everyone, it's Nick here from Notero. Today I'm going to show you how to disperse payments that you received from insurance companies for claims that you have submitted. So the very first thing we're going to do is click on our billing section. And you notice the billing section is divided into invoice and transactions, and then we have our insurance section here. We have a little icon here to indicate that this is an insurable invoice and these ones are not. So we're going to go ahead and click on insurance payments. And so what you can do is you can filter by the insurer. So if we knew that we received a payment through Blue Cross, for example, we can filter. We can also filter by date range. And what this is going to show you is that we received $50, for example, from Blue Cross from this payment number 3. And we still haven't distributed $29. So we can go ahead and if we wanted to, we can distribute the $29. We can also delete if we want to delete that payment, and what it's going to do is also going to delete all those distributions of the invoices that they've been applied to. So you can also delete that if you've made a mistake. We also have a filter if you just want to filter to see if by the insurance companies that do have an available balance. So if you needed to distribute payments and you had a long list and you wanted to just see which payments that actually had a balance on it, so you needed to distribute that. So let's go ahead. We're actually going to receive the payment. So we received the payment, and our insurer in this case would be Blue Cross. The date is defaulted to today's date. The location, if you have multi-locations, you can select the location that's appropriate for this payment. We'll select the payment method. In this case, it was a check, and we received $50 from the insurance company. And we have two choices. So we can issue it to the claims, or we can add it to credit. So if we're not ready to issue the claims, we're just going to click Add to Credit, and we'll be done. So let's issue it to the claims. And so you have a number of Blue Cross claims in this case, and if you're unsure which ones, because you have multiple ones, you can just take a quick look as well by expanding of where you want to distribute this money, and we're going to distribute it against this claim here. So we're going to select this one, and we're going to pay claims. If I can do multiple claims as well, but we're just going to distribute this $50 for this one claim. So we're going to pay the claim. And in this case, this has been approved, and it was approved for $50, and the amount we received. So this is the information that we would have already put the EOB information in, but we're also potentially, so we're going to receive the EOB information so we can compare it against what we've already submitted, and the information is accurate, and we actually received $50, and then we pay the claim. And then the claim has been successfully paid. I can refresh this page. It's going to load all the insurance companies and all the claims that are the payments that we've already issued, and we can see the payment that we've applied is $50 against invoice 14, and we can see that the available balance now is 0, and it's in a lighter shader grayed out color versus what the available balance is. And so that's how you would receive a payment. And there's one other thing I want to show you as well. I'm going to go to the invoices, and we'll go to one that's unpaid. So when you're in this state here of an invoice and an insurance company is paid you, or you need to distribute that payment from an insurance company, you're going to click this Insurer Pay, not the Patient Pay. So if you receive money from insurer, you're going to click Insurer Pay, and you're going to need to know the claim that you're going to be applying it against, because when we click this, it's going to go to this page here, and you're going to need to know how to distribute this. So that's an important part of the workflow is that when you are dispersing those funds, the difference between an Insurer Pay and a Patient Pay, because if not, these claims, if you click Patient Pay and you pay this invoice off, what's going to happen is that these claims will be outstanding with a balance. So if I go to my claim section, for example, what you're going to show is these claims, and it's going to show that there's going to be still a balance still owed on this claim because you haven't paid it, or you haven't paid it through insurance through an insurance payment, but you've paid it through a patient payment. So that's an important point to know as well when you're managing these sections. So that's how you would disperse a payment that you received from an insurance company. Thank you.